Federal Reserve Chairwoman Janet Yellen stated in a news conference today that the Fed plans to stay the course with her follow-up statements to the Fed's policy meeting 2 weeks ago, saying the central bank wanted to take a cautious approach as it considers raising interest rates again. The volatility we saw last summer and in the beginning of this year are signs that the threats from abroad are too significant to ignore, and the performance of the U.S. economy since the beginning of the year has been somewhat mixed. Yellen also stated that we have to take into account the potential fallout from recent global economic and financial developments, which have been marked by bouts of turbulence since the turn of the year. The Fed now expects to raise rates by 0.5 percentage point over the course of this year. Yellen's cautious stance contrasts with recent statements from other Fed officials who spoke of a more positive assessment of the U.S. and global economies. The differing messages suggest a split among Fed policymakers that could prove an interesting stance on interest rate increases. That is your investment minute for this week, and we will see you next week.